Okay, we're coming up on South Point Park Pier. Okay, so all of this right here is developed. This right here is developed also. It wasn't here, I'm gonna say 15 years ago. Nevertheless, they did a wonderful job, and I believe this is one of the real estate questions that the developer got paid X number of dollars of millions of dollars more, because one of the incentives on this contract was if you complete early, there would be a bonus. The question is, did he pay his workers any of the bonus? Don't know, but that gets into one of the questions between fixed fee contracts, time and material contracts, or contracts with an incentive or a bonus associated with it. Okay, at one point, this is the pier, from 1st Street to 4th to 5th, used to be, for the most part, the family beach. Used to find a number of children, creances, and family just chilling out. Miami Beach at this point has gotten so commercial that for the most part you don't see much family. But on the other hand, it's all available to everyone. There used to be a time between, I think it was 8th and 12th, that there was topless and nobody got in any trouble or being challenged. I don't know if that exists much today or not, but that's just showing the evolution of the beach. This right here used to be all wood. One of the hurricanes, needless to say, uprooted it, and you're going to find this throughout South Florida now. Most piers are made with a combination of concrete and wood to withstand more hurricanes. All right, this is another good example of the different hues in the water. Earlier we were talking about the lows, and you can see the lows, the point of the Lowe's hotel where we were earlier is right there. Okay, so here you see the different hues in the water, indicative of the depth of the water. So I believe this is this a party boat, a fishing boat? It looks like it. At the distance you see Coconut Grove. On the other side of that, okay, that's going to be American Airlines. Well, I shouldn't call it American Airline Arena. You know, it's whatever naming convention is the latest. It used to be FTX when they, after that debacle. Now I forget how they pronounce the name, but it's where the Miami Heat plays. Okay, and these ships that are anchored, the question is, are they anchored waiting for their time to get into port, or what the case may be? As we can see, there's like a trail in the water of debris. Wow, look like that might even been extended. There was one of the quote famous Marlins pitcher that was riding his boat at a high rate of speed one night and basically crashed into this jetty here